Alright guys, hey, today I want to spend literally not more than 5 minutes to tell you something about TmuX or TmuX, TmuX, TmuX. Um, Alright, so what is TmuX? TmuX is a terminal multiplexer server. How we can install it? If you are using an apt install TmuX, brew install TmuX. Unfortunately, it's not for Windows. You can have it on your Linux machine, a Linux server, or on your MacOS. It's not working yet in Windows. That's good. Okay. The one of the things that you install TmuX is, and when you start it, it's like nothing happens. I'm connected to my stuff, and I'm typing TmuX, starting it, and it's nothing happened. All right. So we have some very interesting status bar which says this is a second session of TmuX, first span, and we have our command which is official at the moment. Why do you need install TmuX? Do you really need it? So from time to time, I'm a very stupid and I click the close when I'm remounting into the laptop, or even when I'm using my Mac. Sometimes I'm close the window with the all sessions I had. So usually when you close the terminal, it gently asks, are you sure you want to close it? And they say yes. So all the work that we're running, they're just killed. With TmuX, we can use our prefix key and split our windows vertically and horizontally to enable a multiple execution. So for example, my Control B, and I split my windows. So now I have one Windows. I can say I really maybe don't like it, so Control B spacebar just to make it horizontal, and let me split it again. And now I will run htop in one of my windows just to see if something is going, and then I can start by using the Control B and arrows. I can navigate during my all different paths. So here let me just change to the Go and just maybe to kind of one of my applications. Up, not here, let's go, and let's start dev and all what to do. Alright, so let's set npm. Now dev, and now we have our htop that is monitoring our CPU, the application, our application that is running port 302 run. So I think I need to also run my application web frontend as we adjust. So cd application, the same thing. dev go. Alright, so we need to start npm dev. And now what we see, the funny thing for me is that because I have this one connection, I can reconnect. So this is the situation when you I closed my window. What's now? So let's try to reconnect, because that happens. And because we were connected, so let's redo TmuX. A means TmuX attach. We are attached to the session, to the last session, because we can also browse to the sessions different that we had already and scroll what we were doing here. As you see, this is session number 2, so we have session number 1 and session number 0 behind. So that means we have all those 3 things. So we have ability to run 2, 3, maybe 5 items having split in a one screen box. We can navigate, and also sometimes it's good to, for example, see and navigate to link. Like this mouse is it's not working. Let me go, and I want to see some logs, right? So I'm here at the Control B and the closing bracket, and now I can scroll over the page to see the data, right? So this is the extra buffering. So we have everything what we need in a small application that is extremely powerful. Enjoy and have a great day. Bye.